back with Serena in your brand spanking new facility, which is amazing. It's fantastic. You can see it on picture, but there's a vibe to it that you can't obviously get on camera. There's everything from the smell to the feel to it's vibrant. How long are you here now?
We're here since June, so 3 months, 4 months.
So now, just settling in.
Yeah.
How are you finding it?
A mix of emotions, if I can put it like that. It's very exciting. I mean, it's honestly a big dream come true, because I really, really wanted to have a proper space for people to come in and practice. So finally getting it out of the paper and being able to put it out there for everything to be exactly how I wanted it, exactly how I planned it is very cool.
And it's just the whole thing. I know we talked a little bit off camera, but for me coming in the door, the first thing I noticed was the sign.
Yeah.
It's very sort of empowering. It just captures you. Tell us the story behind that sign.
So I have to kind of take a step back, because I started teaching at home with one pole in my living room, and I have a girl here in Athlone that she has her own photography studio, and I asked her could she take a couple of professional photos, because I didn't have any, and I was starting to advertise a little bit more, and I'm like, I think I need pop pictures instead of my own camera. And she took a photo, and that's my favorite pose on the pole, and the picture is amazing. And then I posted on my pole page, and this guy, I don't know if I can say his name, but if I can't, you know what to do. Dermot Clark is his name. His work is amazing. He does loads of murals, and I mean, he's just awesome. But actually, I didn't know him. He just grabbed the photo and he asked, could he draw my picture? And I was like, sure, yeah, whatever. Didn't think too much of it, and he sent me back that, and I just loved it ever since. So it became my logo. I have it tattooed, and it's just, and now it's on the wall.
and the light itself it's beautiful. It's really nice and captured.
It's really fab.
And so you're in your new place now. So does that mean now that you've a lot more classes?
A lot more classes, different classes as well, because you kind of want to offer, obviously separate the levels, which is something that we couldn't do before, because with the amount of spaces that we could open, we wanted to be welcoming to everybody. And then now with we can separate a class for proper beginners, and then the people that are a little bit more advanced, they have their own class, so they can go a little bit crazy. We have some heels classes as well, which people are a bit scared of doing it.
That's the big high ones that you have that are...
people are a little bit scared, but it's not a mandatory thing. It's just more for you to learn how to dance and do your, be a little bit more flowy if that's something you're interested in. We have a little kids class on Saturdays. We have our open training on Sundays. So if you're doing your practice during the week, you can hop in on a Sunday, and you have 2 hours to practice whatever you want, whatever you learned, whatever you can remember. And there'll always be an instructor here as well for that. So if you have any questions, you can just ask, and they'll be happy to help.
That's brilliant. And what about workshops?
Loads of workshops coming up. We're partnering with the Heart of Burlesque Ireland, and loads of their amazing international stars will be hosting their workshops here. We've had a couple already with Miss Memphis, who else? Carrot Top. We had a couple of people coming in, but there's loads more planned down the road up until Christmas, and then big calendar for next year, hopefully.
Brilliant, yeah, and it's lovely to have your own space where you can kind of come and go and
absolutely,
do your thing and share the space and kind of let people come in and do workshops.
Yeah, exactly.
Which is great.
And I think that's what Athlone, needs a little bit as well, a place where it's very well equipped and suited. If you have all of your yoga mats and your blocks and foaming, the rolling foams and everything you need for you to run your workshop, whether it's a dance workshop or a stretch class or yoga Pilates, you name it, or even a pole workshop or whatever it is, so just we have a couple of texts from people from all over Ireland looking to come over to Athlone as well, which is really lovely, like people wanting to come in and share you know, with their knowledge with people in the Midlands, because we haven't had the opportunity yet.
Yeah,
so,
which is great for Athlone, it's great for
fab,
everyone
yeah.
that people want to come to you where you don't have to travel to them, which is...
Yeah, absolutely, it's even better.
And you kind of know you're doing something right. Yeah. But the place, I can understand. Tell us a little bit about the wall at the back with all the things on it. It's quite unique.
Yeah, so I think what you said is very, like, it captures everything. It's the idea of having something, when you come in, if you look back or if you're looking at the mirror, you'll always have something that's going to tell you everything is going to be okay. Because we're all like, at the end of the day, you come into class, you're stressed and you had a bad day in work. I mean, you know, your life can be going upside down, or you could have had an amazing day and feeling good about yourself, but everybody comes in and they leave their little message on the wall, and even there's little messages from the kids and little drawings. So sometimes if you need inspiration, look at the lollipop and it can tell you everything you need. But yeah, it's just it was a lovely idea. Just, you know, what I ask people is, whenever you leave, you either leave a message for somebody or you leave a message for your future self. So brilliant. You know, when you come in and you're not feeling really good, you look at the wall and it's like a wisdom cookie, but on the wall.
Yeah, it is inspiring and helps you kind of keep going.
Well, you have to leave your message now.
I will. It's the space is phenomenal, and I love even the lights. Like, there's a lot of thought and detail gone into it.
Yeah, there's a lot of love.
Yeah, it's not something that's been slapped together. It's something. Yeah. Everything is in its place and complements each other.
Yeah, that's the idea.
And we talked earlier about the poles. So these are a lot bigger, are they, or heavier?
Yeah. So they're all custom-made poles from X-Pole, which is an absolutely excellent brand of pole. I'm very happy to have been able to get them. They all have their quick lock system, so if you're really excited, I don't know if it's going to be captured there, but if you want to make the pole spin, yes, the pole does spin, if you didn't know that. The pole spins, and it can also be, you know, static, so it's really good. They're all competition standard, so if people are looking to get more professional and practice for competing, like big competitions, whether it's All Ireland or all over the world, right. You know, they'll find the exact same poles everywhere. So we're
kind of looking at an Athlone pole dancing team.
Oh yeah, hopefully
for the future, to young and old, which is brilliant.
Olympics, here we go.
Yeah. So how are you finding the transition from the other place to here? Has it been an easy transition, or has it been stressful?
Lots of learning, you know. I think obviously, you know, with the previous place, there was a lot less things I had to worry about, because obviously I only had 2 days teaching, and everything else was managed by Ursula and Patrice. I didn't have to worry about anything. I just showed up, put up the poles, teach my class and get out. But now, you know, just having to learn about everything else that involves running the business itself. Loads of marketing lessons and everything.
Yeah, it's not, this is the easy bit for you.
It's teaching is the easy bit.
Yeah. It's all the other stuff, but it's a fantastic place, and
Thanks so much.
It's nice. It's lovely to follow your journey and to come to here. I wasn't expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting this sort of wow when you come in, which is it's wow, but at the same time it's calm.
Yeah.
And peaceful, which is lovely.
It's not overwhelming. You know, it's like, although we look around, we have 8 poles around you don't really know what place should you be in when you come in for your first class, but you always end up finding your favorite pole, and that's your little corner forever.
Yeah, it's just lovely, and especially the brightness from here. So What have you planned? Anything majorly planned over the next couple of months with the space?
So we're going to hold our first student showcase in here. It's our second student showcase ever.
Brilliant.
Which is very exciting. So all of our students will come in and they'll do their performances. Everybody's more than welcome to come in and give them, you know, support and love, because, you know, you kind of do practice every day. They come into class and you just kind of want to have a moment for them to showcase what they've learned and what they, you know, to express themselves as well. So yeah, it's going to be on the 27th of September, 7 o'clock, and it's really, really fun. Just a fun day for me anyways. Maybe a bit stressful for them, but for me it's fab. I love it.
Sit back and watch them do their thing.
But it is really fun, and you know, it's just a way for them to have something to look forward to. And then, like I said, the workshops that are planned out for the next few months and weeks, and we'll always be posting our socials, and
And we'll put the links to your address here in the new place underneath, so if anybody is looking to take up pole and try something new and exciting, whether you're young or old, especially for kids, just come and give it a go, because the space is just
from 5 to 100. Even if you're 101, you can still take it.
There's still a place, because it's an amazing place. So yeah, come down, and I will put all the information underneath.
Awesome.
And then you can put any links for your classes or anything like that, so that people can connect with you and take advantage of this amazing space.
Yeah, and I'll be waiting for you to come to class and you to come to class.
And I'm sure we'll see you at the burlesque. That's next week or the week after. We'll be floating around, so we'll even get you to see you doing your stuff.
Let's see. Can't tell you anything.
We'll see. We have to be there. Just have to turn up.
Yeah, have to be there.
But Serena, listen, thanks for having us again, and best of luck with the new. It's amazing. So
Thank you
I wish
so
you
much.
all the luck, and we'll be back to see how you're progressing and how your students
Thank
progressing.
you so much for everything, for the support, for helping us out, it's
amazing,
fab to have you guys here.
We'll look after each other. Thanks a million, guys. See you soon.